I'm so glad that my dad let me run the shop while he was on vacation. Cool, customers are coming. Hi there, what would you like today? Our grenades, laser guns are 30% off today, with your club card, of course. Sir, we are forced to tell you this, but you must sell your store to us and get out of here. Or you'd come up with $20,000 in 2 weeks, as commanded by Lieutenant Rex. Lieutenant Rex? No, not Lieutenant Rex. Yes, Lieutenant Rex. Remember, 2 weeks, $20,000. Don't you forget it. Shoot, my grandpa's not coming back for another 3 weeks. How am I supposed to raise all this money? Wait. I know what I'll do. I'll put lots of ads all around, banners all over. I'll even put an ad in QVC. Yeah, that's gonna work.
To my fellow comrades, I'm going to rule this galaxy with my new and improved droid army.
But sir, we are consistently running out of parts for our droids, and receiving red signals for emergency shutdown almost all the time. How are we supposed to get by there?
You're right, I've been noticing this too. That's why I came up with a plan. Now you, call up your men. Tell them to go to the planet called Green Brick. Then you should go to the town hall. There'll be a vault there. In the vault will be loaded of weapons. You can take the weapons, anything that's in there.
Yes, sir.
Right, before I die, tell them the COP unit code. It'll be most helpful for them if they want to succeed in this mission.
By your command, master.
All weapons in the box, soldier.
Okay.
Sir, all weapons in the box. That includes you, Commander.
In you go.
Sure.
Okay, now where's my spot? Okay, there it is. Wait,
What's that guy doing?
Yeah. Woo. No. Oh, yeah. Oh, Tina.
I like candy.
Here's the helmet cleaner. I heard something about free helmet cleaners.
Yeah, me too.
Mine.
Where's
I
the
need to get
helmet
mine very
cleaner?
shiny for... Wait, all weapons in the box. That goes for all of you, yeah?
I better get this back.
In you go.
Goodbye, my friend. I always knew you were good.
Why is everyone looking at us?
Because we're freaking awesome!
I knew it.
Wait! Stop! Don't start yet! Please wait! Whoa, slow down there, soldier. All ones must be in the box. Hey, what is that thing?
Why, sir, it's my very own battle axe! Wah! Yeah!
What's that? Orders tell me to say, but put the axe away.
Well, sir, if any of this gets stolen from me, you're really gonna get it.
Scrap!
What do you want?
Do you have a pencil?
No, I do not have the item that you are trying to find. And a pen would be proper than a pencil in this type of case.
You make my head hurt.
Hey, buddy.
Hello, pal.
Game over.
Aww. Alright, man. This is how it goes.
Whoa, whoa.